Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to revert colors to normal on Samsung Galaxy A54. So, if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 series, and now you would like to revert or return the apps and icons color back to normal, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A54. Scroll down until you get to accessibility and then click on that. Once you selected accessibility, the next thing you want to do is you want to locate and click on vision enhancement. Now under vision enhancement, scroll down, locate and click on color correction. So if color correction is enabled, then you should have this kind of outrageous color on your A54 app icons. Then come here and make sure you disable color correction. Hit the back button again, locate color filter. If color filter is enabled, go ahead and disable color filter. And now if you have the color filter shortcut enabled as well, make sure you disable this as well. And then hit the back button. After that, the next thing you want to do is you want to locate eye contrast theme. If eye contrast theme is set to maybe yellow or whatever option you have on your Galaxy A54, or you have the blue, what you just need to do is set the high contrast color to none, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to reset or revert color to normal on your Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.